Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a dip powder set from my friends at serendipitynails.com. I'll tell you a little more about that later, but enjoy the video. So now I'm going in with the base and top coat. It is their 2-in-1 where you're able to use it to apply the dip powder as well as top coat the dip. I'm starting to paint my nail with the base coat, and I'm going to paint this super cute hollow silver on my index finger. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that color. You'll notice that my nails were already prepared this time around. I can do another video showing how I apply these tips on. These are full coverage gel tips from Kiara Sky, but this video in particular, I am focusing on the dip powder. You guys won't believe how easy dip powder is. You literally just put the glue on your nail and you dip it into the color, and you can do as many layers as you need. Normally I do 2, or if it is a very sheer color, I apply 3 coats to the nail. Again, this set literally took me maybe 20 minutes at the most. But I'm just continuing going nail by nail, do 2 coats on each nail of this beautiful, maybe like emerald green, kind of like a lighter emerald. But I love this color. Anybody knows me knows I love pink, but second to pink, I love a good green. Green looks great on my skin, and I'm just in love with greens, all different shades. So as you can see, I'm literally just dusting off the excess of each nail to dip them the second time around. Now let's get into this coupon, honey child. So my friends at serendipitynails.com have given me a code for all of my viewers and my lovely followers for 15% off any purchase on their website. And the code is simply AnnaDip15. So if you are into dip nails and you want to go on their website and purchase, just go on there and use my code AnnaDip15 to get 15% off your first purchase. And again, I'll put the link in the description, so go on in there, click it, and get you some dip nails.
Perfect.
Now I'm going to apply activator on all of the nails, and this is to ensure the glue has dried in between the layers of the dip powder. Now it is time for my filing, and I don't have to do too much filing. It's just more a few trouble spots where I had to, like, the glue was a little thicker. So just watch out for that. If you're applying dip nails, just always try to make sure your glue layers are even and very thin. But again, I'm just buffing these nails so that they are nice and smooth and ready for a top coat. Now I'm going in with my favorite gel top coat to add a super shine to these nails and ensure the wearability of the dip powder. Now it is time for the bling, and I'm just gonna be pretty simple this time around and do 3 cuticle gems, just AB color. Yeah, pretty simple. here is the final look. I am loving the color and this hollow. If you love it too, give it a thumbs up. Love you for watching. Bye.